Hello everyone. How's it going? Well, it's a little later. All the lights are on. Yeah, it's been a busy weekend so far. Look, take a look at them though. Yeah. Looks like everyone's good in there. I haven't come out here today. We're out and about. Saw my wife's grandmother. She's 98. It's crazy. 98 years old. Imagine being 98 years old. She's actually not doing the greatest. Yeah, it's a little unfortunate, but 98. It's crazy. Still, it has been mild for a few days, and look, we still have snow or ice. Let's say ice. Yeah. And check out my lights. So these ones are always up there, but like I put lights all the way around. Gotta add to it, right? I by far, well, I wouldn't say by far, like I got some of the most lights in the neighborhood. Yeah. And then there's another town farther down, and I'm pretty sure I didn't see one house that was actually even close to mine. But that's all good. I just like going all out. That's just my kind of style. It wouldn't be me. So guys, guess what? We are literally close to 5,000 subscribers. And I have to say, it's probably, by the time I post this, we're gonna get it. So I think it's pretty freaking amazing, and you guys are all part of it. So thank you. So yeah, here actually. So the power heads aren't working. I'm gonna turn that on. So yeah, here we go. I turned them on. They're going again. You know what? Oh, and my neighbor has put some lights up there. Haha. You gotta join in the festivities. Yeah. It's actually like the waterfall looks freaking amazing though. Look at this light here. It's like it's just blinking. It doesn't know what to do. Let's just get a close up. And look at that. That's so cool. Isn't that cool? Yeah. It's just pumping it out, and I love like how the water just shimmers off of the light. So cool. Yeah, so 5,000 subscribers. It's pretty amazing. I tell people now, and they're like, really? Wow, how'd you do that? It's a lot of work though. It's a lot of work, and it isn't. I'm actually having a lot of fun doing it. And I have a lot of fun just talking about the fish. Oh, here's our guy going for a swim. Oh, I turned on the power heads, and it disturbed this guy here. He's not happy. Actually, a couple of the fish are moving. They're like, what's going on? Yeah, they don't look good though. So, but yeah, I am gonna actually go up in the tree house. All right. So I finally made it up here. I didn't make it up right away. Ended up playing basketball with the young lads. So yeah, there it is. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Craziness. Well, I thought I was recording, and I wasn't. I was trying to get the waterfall in, and whoops. And then I hit stop by accident. But yeah, it's such a different view up here. Like bird's eye view of everything. Got all the lights in the tree and branches. There's literally a branch right there. And then we got all the lights here. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna show you guys the front. All right. So there's my Granch. We went pink today. The window's pink. All the windows are pink. That's both my kids there wanting that. Got some purple. We got everything. The ho ho ho. And yeah, and there it is. You also got this side here. I think I'm gonna see if I can change Santa to red. So Santa doesn't change to red. I think the piece is broken, but I can actually get a piece to change it. I have another one. Yeah, it looks pretty awesome. I love the lights on the fence. Yeah, but there it is. So remember, please subscribe, like the video, and yeah, check out my shorts. And like here, there's and then we'll just say one last hi to the Grinch. Pretty awesome, eh? Definitely a staple in my displays now. All right, have a great day.